Alright, this is from page 574. This is number 33. We have a board game that's in the shape of a right triangle. So there's the board game in the right triangle. And the hypotenuse is 2 inches longer than the longer leg. So this is longer than this one, but it never tell us what the longer leg was. So it's called the longer leg X. And so the hypotenuse would be 2 inches longer, so the hypotenuse would be X plus 2. Now, they still never told us the shorter leg. Now, they said the longer leg, which is this one down here, is 1 inch less than twice as long as the shorter leg. So, the longer leg is equal to 1 inch less than twice as long as the shorter leg. Well, they never told us what the shorter leg was, so I'm going to use the letter Y. So twice as long as the shorter leg. Now, we have X's here, and Y there. This all should be X's. So I'm going to change that Y over there by adding 1 to both sides here. And I get 2Y. Then divide everything by 2. And I get Y is going to equal X plus 1 all over 2. So I can use this instead, the X plus 1 all over 2 for my Y. So I have all 3 sides now, and everything has X's. So using Pythagorean theorem, let's change to the Pythagorean theorem, which says that one side, X plus 1 all over 2 squared, plus this side right here, X squared, will equal X plus 2 all squared. Alright, using binomial expansion for the numerator, this is going to end up being X squared plus 2X plus 1. The denominator is going to be a 4. This is already X squared, and the expansion of this will be X squared plus 4X plus 4. Now I want to multiply everything by the number 4. That'll cancel out this 4 on the bottom, which will give me X squared plus 2X plus 1. It'll make this one 4X squared, this one 4X squared, this one plus 16X, and this one plus 16. Alright, so now these two on both sides will cancel. And so what I'll have is, let me subtract my 16x from both sides. And subtract 16 from both sides. This will leave me with x squared, a minus 14x, and a minus 15. And that'll all equal 0. So when I solve this, I'll get x times x and 15 times 1. This will be a negative 15 and a positive 1. X minus 15 will equal 0. X plus 1 will equal 0. X will equal 15, or x will equal negative 1. Well, since we can't have a negative side, this is not used. So we'll say x is 15. So let's go back. Now we know that x is 15. That makes this side right here 15. This side is 15 plus 1, which is 16, divided by 2, which is 8. So this side is 8. And this side will be 15 plus 2, which is 17.